Salam, my friend. I hope you're getting along well. Think about the clouds with the sun behind them. What situation does it make for the earth and its inhabitants? Is there anything special about the sun behind the clouds? Let me first discuss a specific fact that no one usually pays attention to. Have you ever wondered if the clouds are closer to the earth or the sun? Well, you would probably answer, what a funny question. It's obviously clear that the clouds are much closer to the earth. Actually, clouds sometimes get so close to the earth that a thick fog covers the earth. And if they happen to go very high, they will be at most about 18 kilometers from the surface of the earth. On the other hand, their distance to the sun is almost 150 million kilometers. So, the clouds are much closer to the earth, such that is not even comparable to their distance from the sun. In fact, if we tend to draw the solar system on paper and then decide to add some clouds to our drawing, we should draw them as close to the earth as they're stuck to its floor. Clouds are like curtains in front of the earth's inhabitants and their eyes. Now there's a question. According to the facts we mentioned earlier, is it really the sun that is behind the clouds? Or it is us who are behind the clouds and can't see the sun and the rest of the sky on a cloudy day? On cloudy days, we can't see the sun and the stars at cloudy nights, while the bright sun is and has always been there, granting light and warmth with generosity. Stars and other planets are all there, but the clouds don't let us see them through. As a matter of fact, the sun is not behind the clouds. We are behind the clouds. You might have experienced a situation that in a very crowded place, like Imam Riza's peace be upon him holy shrine, a boy of 3 or 4 years old, while crying loudly and rushing from one place to another, screams out, "Dad! Dad!" and draws people's attention. A moment later, one of the servants reaches out to him asking, "What is the matter with you, my son?" And the boy, who's still sobbing and trying to wipe his tears with his hands, answers, "My dad is lost! My dad is lost!" At this point, one of the audience chuckles, but immediately hides it, asking, "Darling, is your father lost or are you lost?" The boy gives him an angry look and cries out, "No! My dad is lost! My dad is lost!" The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, and his pure family, Imam Sadiq, peace be upon him, and Imam Mahdi, may Allah hasten his reappearance, the three glorious divine lights, compared the Imam in the occultation era to the sun behind the clouds. A comparison with several points for us that we will discuss in our future clips. But this point is very important, that these clouds are like some curtains in front of our eyes. And as a result of that, it's us that don't see the shining bright sun. Is our Father really absent? Or it is us who are lost? Our Father is right here, among people, compassionate and concerned about us. It is us that let go of His hand. We are lost, and we don't see our Father anymore.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إلهي عظم البلاء وبرح الخفاء وانكشف الغطاء وانقطع الرجاء وضاقت الأرض ومنعت السماء وأنت المستعان وإليك المشتكى وعليك المعول في الشدة والرخاء. اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد.